Okay, so this video is going to be for your Volcano Notes. It's going to be number 20. Alright, so you're going to title it Volcano Notes. I also got this from your textbook pages. So first we're going to go over just some basic vocabulary. Alright, so a volcano is a vent or fissure in Earth's surface where molten rock and gases are expelled. Alright, so we need to talk about the difference between magma and lava. Okay, so magma is inside Earth. Okay, so when we talk about magma, we're referring to processes inside Earth. Okay, when we talk about lava, that is on or outside Earth's surface. Okay, a vent is an opening, in case you were not aware. Okay, so let's talk about where volcanoes form. So where do volcanoes form? This is going to help you with your model project. Alright, because it's very important to know volcanoes don't just form anywhere they want to. You can't just decide tomorrow that a volcano is just going to pop out on our surface. Alright, so we have, they can form at convergent boundaries. Because of subduction. Okay, so I'm going to draw some arrows. So you have one plate that is going, now remember, convergent means they're going towards each other. But this plate, because of subduction, goes underneath. Okay, so they're both going towards each other, but subduction is where one sinks under the other. Okay, so at a convergent boundary, when subduction occurs, a volcano could happen there. The other place is at divergent boundaries. Okay, divergent boundaries, remember that's where the plates are going away from each other. So because the plates are separating, a volcano could form right in here. That magma could come up and shoot up in between that space. Okay, and at hot spots, now a hot spot is literally a spot within Earth that is so hot that the magma just bursts out and lava goes everywhere. Okay, so hot plumes of mantle rise through convection. Okay, alright, so I'm going to attempt to draw a little picture for you. Okay, so convection means that it's causing movement within that mantle. Okay, so because it's causing movement, this hot plume, alright, is basically a section that's just so hot that it's going to shoot up anywhere it wants. Okay, it's not at a particular boundary. Alright, that is called a hot spot. Alright, so that's really the basic things that you need to know about a volcano, is where do they form and just the basics of what a volcano is. The lesson in the book has a lot more details, but I really want you to just remember these basic words, what a volcano is, what's the difference between magma and lava, and then know that the vent is the opening, and where do they form, and what is causing them to form. So convection, you're going to see a lot. That magma inside the mantle is so hot and it's constantly moving that it's going to push that magma up, and if it's at a certain boundary, then it will come out. But if it is in a hot spot, it's going to force itself onto Earth's surface. Okay, so keep that in mind whenever you're working on your model project. Remember, this is number 20 in your notebook.